Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about creating dictionaries from sequence. We are going to write a code which will create a dictionary with keys and values based on two zip lists. The first list uh, will be created using the range function. So let do have a variable tuple, and we are going to have a zip function, and in zip function we have a range function to generate numbers from 0 to 4. So we are going to pass in 5, and the second list will be a reverse version of the first list, generating numbers from 4 to 0. So we're going to use reversed function and pass in range function with the value of 5. The zip function is used here to combine the two lists into a single iterable object. This object contains pair of corresponding elements from the two lists. This means that the first pair would be so like this 0 and 4, and the second pair would be 1 and 3, and so on. Next, we are going to use the dict function to convert the iterable object into a dictionary. So let's do that. And we pass in tuples. And each pair from the iterable becomes a key value pair in the dictionary. The first element of each pair becomes the key, and the second element becomes the value. Now we are going to print the resulting dictionary showing the key value pair. In this case, the dictionary contains 5 pairs where each key value will be number from 0 to 4, and each value is the corresponding number from 4 to 0. So let's print out our mapping and run our code. And here is the output of our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.